Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to today's topic. So today we are going to learn the name range in the Excel. So let's see what is the name range and how it will be helpful to us. As first of all, what is the name? As just now you can see my cursor, I have selected the box B2. So you can see this name is here B2. So this is the name box for this particular data. If I want to if as the in the name range, if I want to select, now I selected a range. If I want to give a name, means to particular range, particular this value, so I can give the name here, but make it sure it should not have a space, and it should not just now you can see I am selecting the data only. So this name range help me in many ways. So let's first of all I am going to tell you the shortcut how you can give the name. You have to click it here and you can directly write down SCI. SCI I am giving as a science and I am pressing the enter. So this range is science. Let's suppose somewhere I want to get the details, somewhere I want to get the sum of this value. So how will I do this? Equal sum bracket and SCI I have to write down bracket close and press enter. Directly you are going to get the sum of these values. Okay. Similar way, if you want to make the range for this values, so you can click here and you can directly write down math. So this is the range of math. So if you want to calculate the number of how many numbers we have, so equal count bracket start and you can give directly math bracket close and enter. So we are calculating the four numbers. So like that, there is no need to write down the formulas or range again and again. You have to write down the name of that range and that will be helpful to you. Now let's see, if I am going to I have number of sheets here. If let's suppose I want to call the value here, or some value I must use it here. Let's suppose I want to locate that uh, particular range. So how will I do that? I have to click here and click on that particular value. So it is going to select particular value and it will show you the data from the particular sheet. Means there is, if you have 10 sheets or 20 sheets, so there is no need to jump from one to another. If let again I am telling you, as suppose I am doing the work on sheet number 3. So what you have to do, you have to locate the data. Now I am going to locate the maths data. You have to click here and it is going to locate the maths only. So this is, I think, clear to you. Now this till now we have done in the shortcut way. So there is a one long way also. So what you have to do, click on the formula tab. Okay, now define name option is there. Define name, here you have to click and define name. So just now you can see, just now I applied two name range, so these are available. If you will click on plus, you are going to add the values. If you want to remove the values, then you can remove by the minus symbol. Okay, as you can see, science is selected already. So you can see B2 to B5. I have to that time I have selected the value B2 to B5. If I want to add some values, so I have to click on add. uh, First of all I am removing this one. Now I have to select the particular values. So what I have to do, I can select the values. Okay, click here. Now you can write down math here. It was showing the previous name, so now I'm going to click on OK. So now it is maths name. Okay, so now it is maths name. This is the range of maths. So I think this is pretty clear to everyone. Now we have the selected range. Means if what will happen if I want to select the multiple columns to make the range. So that time what I have to do, till now I think you have noticed I have not selected the top rows. I have selected only the data. Now I am going to select the top rows with the data and I am going to add the same process, formula tab, and create selection from create from selection. So now if I just now I have to select the top row, or if you want to say, give a particular thing that is left column, so that time you can give. Just now I am selecting only the top row and you can click on OK. So now how will you come to know that my data is added, my name range is added? For this you can, what you can do, you have to click here. You can see math, English, Hindi, science, SST, every range is available to you. Actually this was previously which I have entered all in the beginning. It was that you can remove this also. So this is the range which will helpful to you, and wherever you want to get the details, wherever you want to get use that range, only what you have to do, equal sum, bracket start, science, click on that, bracket close, and enter. You are going to get the answers. I think this thing is clear to you. These things will be helpful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.